Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, if you are new to my channel, I make easy, healthy, and delicious meals in no time at all. Alright guys, today I'm making the dish. You guys are gonna love it. It is creamy spinach and artichoke dish. It tastes like a spinach and artichoke dip, like, you know, asked the chicken out on a date and then they like had a baby. And that's what this dish is. It's so good, and the best thing of all, it's super healthy, alright? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go on YouTube and subscribe, and also visit me on IG Cooking with Hugs, Facebook Cooking with Hugs, so you can see when I'm posting new videos, guys. Are you ready to cook? Let's go. Okay guys, so I just bought around 2 packs of chicken strips. I'm actually making this recipe for my mom today because she just recently got surgery. So if you guys want to comment little hearts for her, I'll show her and make her feel better. So I'm gonna add Italian dressing to marinate the chicken. Just a light Italian dressing will do. That's pretty much how I always season chicken. It's like a base. It just is so yummy with this recipe, guys. So we're gonna do around 2 tablespoons of Italian dressing and just put it right in the fridge. Okay guys, so the first thing you're gonna do before you start anything, you're gonna marinate the chicken like we just did, and then you're gonna add a little bit of olive oil to your pan. I use cooking spray olive oil just because I feel like it just doesn't use as much. And then you're gonna add your chicken in, and you're just gonna cook it until slightly brown because we're gonna finish it off in the sauce. So we're just gonna add it to our hot pan and start cooking them down. Alright guys, in the same pan, I just lightly browned all the meat. You're gonna add a little bit of olive oil, and don't worry, all that brown bits, that just adds flavor, okay? So now I'm gonna add all the ingredients, and I'm gonna list them in the video. Alright guys, so the artichoke and the spinach and garlic wilted down. It smells like crack up in here. So now we're gonna add around 2 tablespoons of cream cheese right to the mixture and a little bit of milk. So let that get oozy and juicy, and we'll add the milk now. We're gonna add about a half a cup of milk, and then you're just gonna lower the heat and let this baby work. So this is how it really should look, like a nice creamy brown color. And at this time, you're gonna add your chicken right back into the spinach and artichoke mixture, and you're gonna let it all cook and get all juicy together, guys. This smells like you don't even know. Hi guys, so today was super easy, and this just smells the entire time. I was smelling the kitchen like, oh my god, it's delicious. So take a look at her. Look at that. Now underneath it, I'm actually making this for my mom. She got carpal tunnel surgery, so she's like, cook me something. So I'm making this for her, and I actually made like a creamy mash. That's what she wanted from scratch. I didn't put it up just because it's like not that healthy. I had a little cream, so I just didn't, you know, upload that. But anyways, this smells amazing. Ma, I hope you like this. It's for you, girl. I'm coming to you as soon as I'm done with this video. So let's dig in, guys. Ooh, I'm excited. So I got a little bit of that spinach and that artichoke, and of course I had to drizzle on a little bit of that parsley. So let's take a bite. That's so good. Wow, so good. Oh my god, guys, the spinach and the artichoke, they're just the best friends that anyone could ever have. Like, they are just so good together. Just stay together forever. So good. Guys, and what an easy meal. Date night. Wow. That's phenom. I'm gonna keep eating this. And then I'm gonna stop, I promise. I'm gonna stop now. Okay. Guys, please, as always, if you tried this recipe, tag me in it. Facebook, IG, YouTube, Cooking with Hugs. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Oh, are you guys ready for 4 hugs? 4 hugs? Yes, you are. 1, 2, bye, beautiful. 3, and the last one's so tight because I love you guys. And that's 4. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, guys. And as always, I love you. Bye.